Before you even think about buying a Tesla, take a deep breath. Because the 2025 Renault 5 might just be the EV that rewrites the rules in Europe. Let's start with what hits you first. The design. It's not just a car. It's a head-turner that radiates charm and confidence. The Renault 5 is an electric Supermini that blends vintage soul with modern ambition. And it does it with style. Forget the specs for a second. Just look at it. Renault didn't just build an EV, they revived a cultural icon. The original R5 brought joy to millions between the 70s and 90s, and now it's back with a new mission: to conquer the EV market without forgetting its roots. This is more than just nostalgia. The 2025 Renault 5 competes with the Mini Cooper Electric, Fiat 500e, and even the Hyundai Inster. But here's the twist. It brings more joy, more style, and more value than most of its rivals. Sure, Chinese EVs may offer more space, but the R5 offers something they can't: personality. Chuckles. So is it just a pretty face? Not at all. Renault is no stranger to EVs, and they've poured everything they've learned from the Zoe, Megane E-Tech, and Scenic into this car. The result? A compact electric platform that's purpose-built, not an adapted petrol car. That means clever packaging, a flat floor, and surprising roominess for a car under 4 meters long, at just 1,450 kilograms, even with the big battery. It's light, agile, and efficient. And underneath? Multi-link rear suspension, all-round disc brakes, and, excited, wait for it, a heat pump, as standard, across all versions. But here's a feature Tesla should emphatic take notes on: bi-directional charging. Confident. Yes, you can charge up at night when electricity is cheap and then sell it back during peak hours. This isn't just an EV, it's a money-saving machine. Claire Tao. Now, let's talk numbers. Starting at just £22,995, or as low as £182 a month, with 0% APR, on Renault's own finance plan. The value here is undeniable. Renault doesn't want this to be a boutique item. They want this on the streets. And it's not just about affordability. The details are happy adorable. The headlights wink when you approach, cuckles the fog lights, dashboard vents, even the rear lights are inspired by past R5s. The seat backs, thoughtful, a nod to the Gordini version. The wheel arches, borrowed from the legendary R5 turbo rally car. Even the charge indicator on the hood echoes the original bonnet vent. Now, step inside. This interior doesn't scream budget, it whispers brilliance. The dash mimics the ribbed plastics of the original R5, but now with rich stitching and digital screens. There's a basket weave pattern in the headliner and real, tactile buttons that make driving feel intuitive and fun. Size-wise, it may still be under 4 meters, but it's no toy. It's wider and taller than you might expect, landing somewhere between the Fiat 500 and Volvo's EX30. That means better comfort and practicality, even if rear leg room is on the tighter side. Let's get to the batteries. 2 options: a 40 kilowatt-hour pack with 120 horsepower and 195 miles of range, or go bigger, a 52 kilowatt-hour battery with 150 horsepower and 255 miles of WLTP range. That version will hit 62 miles per hour in 8 seconds flat and can fast charge from 15 to 80% in just 30 minutes. So how does it drive? Like it was born for city life, but ready for country roads. Light, agile, confident. The steering is progressive, the ride is taut but forgiving, and it handles with a playful edge. It's quiet, solid, and refined. No creaks, no rattles, just pure electric smoothness. Here's the bottom line. The Renault 5 is the most exciting small EV Europe has seen in years. It's stylish, efficient, fun, and affordable. It has the charm of a classic with the tech of tomorrow. Tesla, watch your mirrors. So, is the Renault 5 your next EV? Let us know in the comments. And if you loved this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Only here on Supercar will you find the real stories behind the cars that matter.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.